Hi, I'm Sean from Autel. Today I'm excited to share a great promotion with users of our MS Ultra, MS919, and MS909 diagnostic tablet users. We're going to give you up to 3 months of free access to motor repair data, including things like color wiring diagrams, TSBs, component location, and a host of other OE level information. Today in the shop, we have a customer's 2018 Porsche Cayman. Their complaint was that the AC system is not getting as cold as it should. So using our MS Ultra diagnostic tablet, we've scanned the vehicle, and sure enough, we do have faults here in the AC system. So we have water valve circuit open or short to ground. So I have already taken advantage of the free access offer for motor, and I can open motor here on my split screen, which is a really nice benefit of the Ultra, by the way, guys, and I can access my air conditioning and heating. In here, I have a complete reference manual on how to diagnose it, what the volumes should be of the refrigerant, and if I need to replace a component, it's going to tell me step by step. It's also going to have lots of great wiring diagrams and other diagrams for hoses and valves, really everything I need to get familiar with a car that I don't have a chance to work on very often. So if I go back, of course, here, don't forget, we do have our Intelligent Diagnostics, so we can start in the beginning. First, we're going to go to a wiring diagram, we're going to pin out our connectors and see what's going on. If they pass muster, we're going to head over to the component locations and find out exactly where that water valve is. Now, I could go on all day talking about motor. I could even tell you that when I'm done and do the multi-point in the car, I can go back to motor and find out what the maintenance is recommended at each mileage for the manufacturer. All great things. But honestly, I don't need to go on about motor all day because you guys are going to take advantage of this offer and sign up by April 30th. So, up to 3 months, you can have it here on your tablet, in your shop, while working on customer cars, and find out just how powerful a companion motor can be to your MS Ultra diagnostic tablet. For more information on our family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.